Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are all well. And I pray that this coronavirus does not come near you guys, and that you and your family are safe. I have a little flu myself, but I am okay. It's not coronavirus, so I'm just grateful to God for that. And I hope you are all well too. Like I said on my previous uploading, every year there's a different flu coming around. We survived those, we will survive this one too. And I pray that God be with you all. So today I am uploading some of my corn. I've been collecting quite a lot. But why is this thing moving? Why are you moving? Well, what about that? You see how it's moving? Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm still going to let it stay there. I'm sorry, guys. The camera is not cooperating with me. So, like I was saying earlier, I hope you are all well. You know what I just noticed on this coin? The letter United States of America and all the letter in God with me, does it then look a little bit smaller, a little bit different from what we usually experience or see? What I'm talking about is all these letters here. They look kind of small compared to what we usually have. Let me put this one so you can see what I'm talking about. See how big those ones are? And this one is kind of different. Well, I'll record the other one in a minute. So, the mid mark here is P. And this P also have a little bit cut. You see that little cut there on this one. So I'm going to turn it around. And what else do I notice? I'm sorry, guys. The R on the dollar. It's kind of funny the way it just dangle out like that. Most of the one I record doesn't look like this. Is kind of different. So I'm going to turn it around to see what's on the other side of this coin. You see all the R on this, see how they just dangle up like that? Up, down, yeah, like that. All the R like that on this coin. I wonder what's give. I usually don't see one like that. So I'm going to actually turn it around to see. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. So what do you guys think? Especially this one here. See that? So let's turn it around. Maybe it's old coins. Oh, South Dakota, 2006. It wasn't that long ago. It kind of have a wheat on it. And there are lots of presidents here which I can't know. But I think this one probably leaking or something. I am not sure. So anyway, I don't know which one they are. But it got 4 presidents on this one, which I believe this one might be Washington. No, don't even guess. Don't even guess. So he had the wheat on it, and that beautiful bird. I forgot the name again. I'm always forgetting the name of that bird. My daughter told me, but I forgot. When I remember, I will put it on it. So, yeah, these are all the president, not all of it. But I think this is Washington here. I'm just guessing. So let's see what you guys think. That's why the letter is kind of different from the other side. That's why. So I invite everyone to visit my channel and see all my beautiful coins. And I also like to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you who are supporting me on this channel. I am grateful. And when I started recording about 2 years ago, I don't even have experience. I don't even know how to operate the iPad. I just decide, oh my God, I'm going to get myself an iPad and start to upload my coins. And I will do it, I will delete it. I say, oh, it's no good. I never want my children to help me. I wanted to do it myself. So, here I am. I'm getting better at it. If you watch my first video, you will know what I'm talking about. I didn't have any idea how to do it. I don't even know how to use iPad at that time. But here I am. I am still working at it. So I thank everyone who supports me, who doesn't batch me or anything like that. God bless you all. Thank you very much. You have a good day.